Hi everyone, here is KSTYLEYO.com and today you're going to see two people having a dialogue at a salon and you're going to learn how to say you're interested in their color service and whether they are available to take your appointment. Let's get started.
어서 오세요. 어떻게 도와드릴까요? 염색하고 싶은데 시간 돼요? 네, 지금 시간 가능해요. 좋아요. Let's find out the direct meanings.
Also, quickly as an adverb, o is from a verb o다 as dictionary form to come. 세요 is please, which is used after a syllable that ends with a vowel.
So this phrase translates to please come quickly. You can also interpret this as welcome or hello in this scenario.
어떻게? As you heard, it's pronounced as K sound when H and G are combined. This means how. 도와 is from a verb 돕다 as dictionary form to help. 드릴, we're actually going to split into two sections, 드리 plus R, since R is part of 가요. 드리 is from a verb 드리다 as dictionary form to give in an honorific way. In this phrase though, this means favor for the first verb. 알까요? This means shall. This phrase translates to how shall I help you? 염색 color for hair dye. 하 is from a verb 하다 as dictionary form to do. go ship. As you noticed, go is used after a verb root without conjugation. When you see this pattern, it means want to do the verb. 근데 it means but. It also means open conversation. 시간 means time. 돼요 is from a verb 되다 as dictionary form to become. You can also interpret this as to be okay. So this phrase translates to I'd like to get my hair dyed. Is time okay? Or do you have time? 네, yes. 지금, now. 시간, time. 가능해요 is from a verb 가능하다 as dictionary form to be possible. So this phrase translates to yes. Now the time is possible, which also means yes, now I have time. 좋아요 is from a verb 좋다 as dictionary form to be good. So you could interpret this as good. Let's hear the dialogue one more time. Please repeat after me.
어서 오세요. 어떻게 도와드릴까요? 염색하고 싶은데 시간 돼요? 네, 지금 시간 가능해요. 좋아요.
And if you like this content today, please give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you have any thoughts or suggestions, please comment down below. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye.